Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And since the market opening, gold is super bullish. In fact, in our previous video also, we discussed that there is a high chance, high possibility that gold would be bullish because the weekly closing was very significant. Okay, there was good amount of selling pressure. There was directionless. Okay, gold was directionless for few days, but still gold managed to close above 4,000, and that was very significant. And right after the market opening, we can see that gold is non-stop going up, and right now gold is showing some signs of consolidation, which is quite natural. And if you're wondering what is the reason, then you can see gold climbs to 2-week high. Gold rose more than 1% to around 4050 per ounce on Monday, reaching a 2-week high amid mounting concerns over the US economy. The yellow metal also benefited from a pullback in the dollar, which makes dollar-denominated commodities cheaper for foreign buyers. Gold rises on Fed rate cut bets, growth worries. Gold edges higher amid signs of US economic weakness. So, my dear friends, fundamentals are again helping gold to go up. And if this continues, then obviously we will see further upside on the chart of gold, because this move is not a technical move. Okay, it has got logic, it has got the support of the fundamentals. So if you have any buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then probably you can already guess that yes, it will be better for us to buy at retracement, or we can buy at breakout as well. Okay, but before I proceed with the video, I would like to say something that, my dear friends, I'm in Dubai right now, so there will be a little bit of time difference. Usually I record my videos in the morning, and I'm from India, but right now I'm in Dubai, so there's a time difference. So maybe my videos will be delayed by 1 to 2 hours, for the next 2 weeks. So if we just look at the chart of gold here, my dear friends, if we just look at the chart of gold like this, then we can see that gold is still sideways. There is no doubt about it. But the articles, are pointing that we can see further upside on the chart of gold. And moreover, if we look at the market structure also, we can see the market structure is also bullish because gold is forming higher lows here. So there is a high chance that we will see further upside. As I said, if you have a buy on gold, you can hold your buy position. If you're looking for fresh position in the market, it's better to buy at retracement. If you're part of the free Telegram community, already I have uploaded there as well. So you must be you must be aware of the levels I'm about to discuss. So the first retracement level where we can look for buy is around the yellow box, 402721. The reason, same logic, the previous resistance will be working as support. So if market comes down to this 2721 area, observe the market. If market takes support, there's a good chance that in this situation market will take support. So when gold will enter 20, 27, 28, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes. If you see market taking support, go for a buy position, keep your stop loss below 20. And you can keep your TP open as well. So around 27, 21, we can look for the first buying opportunity. In case market surprises us, gold is full of surprises. If market surprises us, and if you see that there is a big red candle at 27, 20, 25 area, then forget about buying. No level is permanent. In that case, you can look for the second buy around 40104009, around this area. Same logic, previous resistance will be working as support. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. And as I have already mentioned in the Telegram community also, that we also have a chance of market taking support of 4050. Why? 50 is a round number, psychological support. So we can already see market is trying to take support around 50 as well. Let me switch to 15 minutes. So if you have a buy here, you can hold your buy position. Hold your buy position. And during the day, if you see that there is no particular direction in the market, goal is just like this, then what you need to do is just draw a line at the top when market will break the level. Right now it seems to be 58. If market remains like this, means market consolidates within 50 or around 50 45 area, then you can look for a buy above 58 as well, because see, the move on gold was surprising. Oh, and volatility moves like this. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. Market was high volatile in the morning, so market will be low volatile. After a few hours, market will be high volatile again. So if the high volatility takes gold towards upside, then we can look for buy above 58 as well. But as of now, plan remains the same. Okay, we will try to buy at retracement. Keep in mind, that the trend of the market, though, because of the fundamentals seems to be bullish, but gold is still not out of the range yet. Okay, so do not go for big lot sizes, because you may get trapped also. We have been facing problem with gold for the last few days. Remember, last week was difficult. There was no particular direction on gold. We are getting a direction right now, but we do not have the confirmation yet. Okay, so we need a confirmation right now. But if we judge everything, if we analyze everything, then it seems to be that buyers are dominating. Weekly closing above 4,000, then these articles, the fundamentals, and gold trying to go up. And if gold continues the upside, then obviously maybe gold will be heading towards 4100 or 4200. Okay, but as of now, hold your buy position if you have any, because further upside is possible. And if you're looking for a fresh position, then considering all the things here, it will be better for us to buy at retracement. 4009, 4010. Then we also have a support around 4021, 4027. These are the two best levels where we can look for a buy position. Chances of market coming down to 85, 39, 85, 86 is less, but this is also a valid support zone. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then yes, we can buy at breakout. But to buy at breakout, we need the market to be in a range for quite some time. Okay, if market stays in a range, then the breakout is a powerful one, because for any breakout to be successful, we need a consolidation. So if market consolidates around this particular zone and breaks 4058, then we can look for buy at breakout. It may change also during the European session. Okay, so you need to, if market forms a range, just draw a line at the top and wait for the market to break it. But keep in mind, before any breakout, consolidation is important. And follow proper risk management. Do not gamble right now, because last week market was directionless. This week maybe we will get a direction, but not yet confirmed. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn.